What's up to you all guys? So this is a rainy day here and I got surprised because my Black Moscow got dropped their fry and I don't gonna take it because they don't eat it or they're not fry eater. I watch them, they're not closely eating. So by the way, this is what I'm going to video my project to clean this tub. This is have a lot of betta fish but not quite going to grow because I don't have live foods here, so they're gonna one by one die. So I'm gonna take the other and the father. I'll take the left fry and the father. So I'm gonna grab my net and here's the father I'm catching, but I didn't catch. And what I got. I got some fry, the large one. Wait a minute. Here's the fry that larger than the other. As you see, they're not grow well. It has to be 2 months old now. 2 months old now, but not growing. So I'm gonna take it and going to clean the pond to put some other guppy or not some. So I'm going to take them all and switch tabs to use the other tab. Here's the tab that they're growing, and I'm gonna clean it. Put some clean water in it and put some pool gold there. Yes. So I'm gonna pour some water. The camera is upside down and here's the water is full. I mean the tub is full of water. So I'm picking what am I put there. So I decide I'm gonna put this is the pool gold here. I'm gonna put to the larger tub to produce much fry and grow so fast that I can sell so fast, so I have money. Char. So this is the tub here. That's a lot of fry there, and here's the first batch of fry. I'm gonna put on them to not take much some tub and just one to faster grow those fry. I need to put in a larger tub there. So I'm hesitating here. What am I gonna put? I'm gonna fill up water. Put my molly here. This is a triple mass molly. They are both same size and same old because they were siblings. So I'm gonna put there. Here. Yeah. So it's still raining. That is it.